The History of the Automobile, A Journey of Innovation. The story of the automobile isn't one of sudden invention, but rather a gradual evolution spanning decades and fueled by countless contributions. While Carl Benz is widely credited with patenting the first practical gasoline-powered vehicle in 1886, a three-wheeled motor wagon, precursors existed for years prior. These early attempts, often steam or electric-powered, lacked the reliability and efficiency needed for widespread adoption. The late 19th century saw inventors experimenting with internal combustion engines, but it was Benz's integrated design, encompassing engine, chassis, and steering, that truly marked a turning point. This initial vehicle wasn't luxurious. It was rudimentary, expensive, and required significant mechanical aptitude to operate, yet it laid the foundation for everything that followed. The early 20th century witnessed a period of rapid refinement and burgeoning commercialization. Henry Ford's introduction of the Model T in 1908 revolutionized production with the implementation of the moving assembly line. This innovation drastically reduced manufacturing time and cost, making automobiles accessible to a much broader segment of the population. Prior to this, cars were largely hand-built, catering to the wealthy elite. Ford's focus on standardization also meant parts were interchangeable, simplifying repairs and further lowering ownership costs. The impact was transformative. Roads improved, suburbs expanded, and personal mobility became increasingly commonplace. This era established the automobile as more than just a novelty. It became an integral part of American life. Throughout the mid-20th century, advancements focused on performance, comfort, and aesthetics. Engine technology progressed significantly, leading to increased horsepower and smoother rides. Features like automatic transmissions, power steering, and improved braking systems became standard offerings. Styling evolved from purely functional designs to incorporate aerodynamic principles and increasingly elaborate bodywork, reflecting the cultural trends of the time. Think tail fins and chrome detailing in the 1950s. The post-war economic boom fueled demand for larger, more powerful vehicles, solidifying the automobile's position as a symbol of status and freedom. However, this period also saw growing concerns regarding safety and environmental impact. The latter half of the 20th century and early 21st century brought increased focus on these previously neglected areas. Safety regulations mandated features like seat belts, airbags, and anti-lock braking systems. Simultaneously, emission standards prompted the development of catalytic converters and fuel injection technologies to reduce pollution. The oil crises of the 1970s spurred research into more fuel-efficient engines and smaller vehicle designs. Hybrid vehicles emerged in the late 1990s as a bridge towards sustainable transportation, combining gasoline engines with electric motors. Today, we are witnessing another significant shift: the rise of fully electric vehicles, EVs. Driven by advancements in battery technology and growing environmental awareness, EVs are rapidly gaining popularity. Companies like Tesla have spearheaded this revolution, demonstrating that electric cars can be both high-performing and desirable. While challenges remain regarding charging infrastructure and battery range, the trajectory is clear. The future of personal transportation is increasingly electric, representing a full-circle moment from the earliest experiments with electric power over a century ago, now refined by modern engineering and a commitment to sustainability. Vocabulary list. Questions. Choose T for true or F for false. 1. Carl Benz's motor wagon was the first vehicle ever powered by an internal combustion engine. 2. Henry Ford's primary contribution to automobile development was designing a more powerful engine. 3. The moving assembly line decreased production costs, but also resulted in lower quality vehicles. 4. Post-World War II automobiles were generally smaller and more fuel-efficient due to economic constraints. 5. Catalytic converters are a technology designed to improve vehicle safety. 6. The oil crises of the 1970s had no impact on automobile design or engine development. 7. Hybrid vehicles combine an internal combustion engine with an electric motor. 8. Tesla is a relatively new company that has played a significant role in popularizing fully electric vehicles. 9. A major challenge facing the widespread adoption of EVs is the limited availability of charging infrastructure. 10. The earliest automobiles were primarily focused on comfort and aesthetic appeal rather than practicality.